everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to introduce Softaken Split PST Pro, a powerful tool designed to split large Outlook PST files into smaller, manageable parts. If you're facing issues with large PST files like slow performance, corruption risk, or backup problems, then this software is the perfect solution for you. What is the software? Softaken Split PST Pro is an advanced utility that helps users break oversized PST files into smaller files based on different conditions like size, folder, date, sender, and more. It is useful for email management, data archiving, migration, legal discovery. Key features of Softaken Split PST Pro. Split PST by multiple options. Size, folder, year, date range, agenda, recipient, category, attachments, item type, path-based folder selection. You can choose specific folders like inbox, sent items, or even subfolders. Trial version support, full scan of mailbox, limited export for testing. Smart reporting system, generates split report.json, shows items processed, exported, and integrity details. Session logs, helpful for troubleshooting and technical support. Pre-flight validation, checks system requirements before starting the process. How it works. 1. Launch the Softaken Split PST Pro software. 2. Click on Browse and select your PST file. 3. Choose a split option according to your requirement. For example, split by size, folder, or year. 4. Select folders from the path list. Or you can include or exclude specific folders. 5. Click Next and configure additional settings, like date range, sender, category, etc. 6. Choose the destination location to save output files. 7. Click on Split Now to start the process. 8. After completion, check output files along with the report file. Use cases. This software is very useful in real-life scenarios. Reducing large PST file size, improving Outlook performance, creating backup-friendly files, organizing emails by year or department, preparing data for migration or compliance. Why choose this tool? Easy-to-use interface, multiple splitting options, accurate and safe processing, supports both PST files, detailed reporting, and logs. Conclusion. So this was all about Softaken Split PST Pro. If you're looking for a reliable PST splitter tool, this software is definitely worth trying. Download the trial version and explore its features before purchasing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.